look at this 1970. John, you and I have been eyeballing this one for a long time. Chevelle LS6 from 1970, the convertible, the 4-speed manual transmission, and that color combination on this car too.
Well, and the documentation as well. These cars are so hard to document as authentic, but in this particular case, GM of Canada documentation. Now, GM down here in the U.S., the documentation not available unless you've got the original build sheet that came out of the car. So we know this is a real authentic car, 331 gears. That color, the desert sand metallic, obviously restored, brought back to its original configuration.
$390 is the bid.
Hang on, guys, hang on. I'm getting a report here. This just in, the 8-track player has Paul Anka ready to go.
Oh, man.
It seriously does?
I'm dead serious. That's straight from Wilfredo.
You're
I have scouts everywhere.
Baby. I'm a woman in love.
Oh, there it is. 21 golden hits.
That's great.
Well,
Pretty
mellow listening for a heavy-hitting car.
I was going to say, give me some, Led Zeppelin or something in this. 410 is now bid.
410's the bid, asking 420. 420 asking 430.
420, 30. I have 420, 430 pounds. I got a three-way dance. 420, 430, 430.
What do you think, J.K.? You going to sell this?
We've got good action on it. We've got big money, but that documentation is driving the price.
Yeah.
425.
Russ Conklin said he's got 3 bidders on it. At least one here in the house, one on the phone.
I have 425, going to be 30. 425 pounds and out of bed. 430, 430,000 is all. 425, 430, 430, 430. 425's the bid. 430 bid. 425. Higher negative 430. JB, hanging along, bud. 425, 430 pounds and out of bed.
Phone bidder giving it thought, but the high bidder in the house on the lower box there.
425, reserve is off.
Oh,
yes.
Wow.
425, 430 pounds and out of bed. Now splitting counts. 425, 430, 425. Ryan, 430 pounds.
That desert sand, not often seen in the LS6 world, John.
No.
425 going to be 430.
Yes. All right, $425,000 as we transition from Mopar Mania to some Chevy Mania. Doesn't have a ring to it, but that's what we're experiencing.
And he bought it his way.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wow, Steven.
300 pounds out of bed. I had 300, 200 pounds out of bed. I had 200, I got 100 pounds and it started 125.